Nordic-style kitchen, Caphne, combines East traditional aesthetics with Western romance. Caphne satisfies all your imagination of kitchens.
L-shaped layout, particle board carcass, melamine doors. And quartz stone bench top. The whole kitchen is divided into 5 zones, including storage area, washing area, food preparation area, cooking area, and dining area. After continuous study and examinations, Oppein creates golden triangle concepts. Each of our kitchen designs strictly follows it, like Caphne. We take stuff from storage cabinets, wash, cook, and have meals in the triangle area. Whole process is smooth. It greatly saves energy and time. In terms of color matching, a large area of ink color is mixed with Merendy pink. Ink color perfectly presents the casual and magnificent aesthetic art of East. Merendy pink is as fresh and sweet as melted candy, showing the romantic feelings of West incisively and vividly. Caphne is so soft, aesthetic, elegant, and full of vitality. In addition to nice color mix and functional layouts, the finish of ink color melamine is also unique, just like touching on the ink stone.
Another unique design is the high cabinets and pink open shelf with LED lights, like exquisite display case. The pull-out baskets in the high cabinets can hold all of your favorite snack as a small supermarket at home. On a weekend afternoon, sit by the extended bar, read books, have a delicious afternoon tea. Enjoyable. It's also worth mentioning that Caphne adopts melamine as main material. Melamine is one of the top-selling door materials with the advantage of scratch resistant, durable, powerfully stain resistant, and easy to clean, as well as highly cost-effective. Melamine is a super popular option for our clients.
For corner area, we surely make full use of the limited space. Corner pull-out baskets is the best solution, easy for us to take and store. On both sides of range hood, we make it open shelves, increasing the space utilization. These are excellent tips for apartments. If budget is good enough, I suggest you to use drawers. Famous brand Austria Bloom drawer system. It's soft closing, easy to find and take stuff. They make your kitchen look concise. Sink area is the place with lots of water involved. After a long time use, cabinets would be affected with damp and growth bacteria, difficult to clean. So, we protect the carcass with aluminum foil to keep it away from the water.
This is Caphne, economical choice for young couples and fresh graduates.
If you like our content, welcome to subscribe us to know more interesting stuff or leave messages below to discuss together.